First started losing my hair at the age of 21. You don't want to get your hair wet in the pool and stuff. By luck, found out about this Dr. Bolton. I saw it from a YouTube video. It feels great.
Got you smiling again right now.
Yeah, definitely. I feel more. I was going to tell a little white lie and pretend that this is what you get when you have the operation afterwards. It's like a prize. Even though this is a girl I love, who I tell everything to. You said it looked that natural. I'll say it again. It is the best investments in my life. If you want those results, then this is the place to come. I'd like to thank Dr. Bolton for doing the procedure.
It's unbelievable, unmatched. I never experienced this type of work for this type of procedure. The two procedures were nothing compared to what he did in just one procedure. Literally 4 or 5 procedures, and still not even match this one procedure. He feels positive for himself too, because he wants to make other people happy as well too. I highly recommend it. Even if you're out of town, out of state, out of country, you go to a guy who knows what he's doing.
When I was about 46, I noticed that my hair had started receding. The whole thing, the whole experience was just excellent. I mean, it couldn't have been any better. It was almost an enjoyable experience. He really made the day a fun day. Nobody really noticed. This isn't even 6 months yet, and it's growing pretty fierce. I would definitely recommend Dr. Bolton to others. In fact, I already have recommended him to several people on my staff. And I'd like to thank the entire staff here. Everybody was absolutely brilliant.
Didn't really have any before pictures, and so coming in to take a look at the pictures, it's amazing. It's unbelievable. Honestly, there was no pain. After about 2 or 3 months is when they kind of started noticing. They're like, and almost seems like almost every week or every other week I'm getting comments like, wow, like, it's amazing that I'm like, yeah, and they're telling me this is just the beginning, so.
I was 22 when I noticed my first hair loss. My hair loss affected me with some loss of confidence. It affected me socially. I can honestly say that the result I got from Dr. Bolton was more than all the other 3 surgeries combined. Yes, I would recommend Dr. Bolton to others because less pain and a better result after one surgery. They have a nurse here who's really, really good. Dr. Bolton's, if I look through my hair, I could not see the scar line at all.